How to expand photo with AI. First, open Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Click the plus icon and upload the photo you want to expand. Once the image is uploaded, type a prompt like, "Expand this image into a 16 by 9 landscape while keeping the original subject unchanged." Fill the surrounding area naturally with matching background, lighting, and details. Then press Enter. Within a few seconds, Gemini will generate an expanded version of your photo that looks natural and seamless. If you want a different result, simply refine your prompt. You can ask Gemini to make the background more cinematic, extend the sky, add mountains, continue a room, or create extra space around the subject for YouTube thumbnails or social media posts. Keep making changes until you're happy with the result. Once your expanded image is ready, download it to your device. That's it. You've successfully expanded a photo with AI in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.